Hey, it's Jack, and I'm back already with a quick clip about different hairstyles for the character we made in episode 1. Okay, let's take our character from the last episode and give them a new hairdo. How about a perm? Start by opening the group so we can see all the layers, and add a new track. Move the track behind the head and body layers. Now press the draw layer and draw a new hairstyle using the same color as the hair you used before, so they blend. You can use the color picker by pressing your finger on the color and holding down. Now let's go to the beginning of the hairdo layer timeline and animate it while the head turns. Tap move, move and scale, and make a keyframe so the hair will follow the head when it turns or moves up and down. Let's hit play and see how it looks. It doesn't look bad, but it could be a lot better. But now that you know how to change your character's hair, I'll let you take this basic animation to the next level. So thanks for watching my new channel, and please like and subscribe so you can keep up with my latest tutorials.